Manufacturing optimization is a term that gets tossed around a lot these days, but what does it really mean? At its core, manufacturing optimization is about fine-tuning every aspect of an industrial operation to boost efficiency, cut costs, and ultimately increase profitability. In a world where competition is fierce and margins can be razor thin, manufacturers must look for every possible edge. That's where the real magic happens, when you start bridging the gaps in your understanding of what optimization truly entails. Let's start with the foundational pillars of manufacturing optimization. First up is supply chain management. Think of this as the backbone of your manufacturing process. It's not just about getting raw materials from point A to point B. It's about creating a seamless network of interconnected businesses that work together to procure, manufacture, and distribute products. When you nail this part, you minimize waste, reduce costs, and keep your competitive edge sharp. But here's the kicker: efficient sourcing and inventory management can make or break your operation. Imagine being able to source high-quality materials at competitive prices. This doesn't just improve your profit margins, it elevates product quality and keeps your customers happy. Strategic partnerships with suppliers can create a reliable flow of materials, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Then there's inventory management. It's a balancing act. Too much inventory, you're drowning in carrying costs. Too little, production comes to a screeching halt. That's where systems like just-in-time come into play. JIT helps maintain that delicate balance, ensuring you have just enough materials to meet production needs without incurring unnecessary costs. And let's not forget about technology. In today's data-driven world, advanced analytics and machine learning are game changers for demand forecasting. You can analyze everything from historical sales data to market trends to make accurate predictions about what you'll need and when. Combine that with real-time analytics from IoT devices, and you can adjust your production schedules on the fly, minimizing downtime and keeping things flowing smoothly. Now, let's pivot to automation, another cornerstone of manufacturing optimization. You might think of robots as cold, unfeeling machines, but in reality, they're your best friends in the manufacturing world. Modern robotics can handle complex tasks and even adapt to new challenges thanks to machine learning. This means faster production times and a workforce that can focus on creativity and problem solving rather than repetitive tasks. Artificial intelligence is another powerhouse in this space. Imagine algorithms that can predict when a machine is likely to fail, allowing you to perform maintenance before a breakdown occurs. AI can also enhance quality control, spotting defects faster and more accurately than the human eye. This isn't just about speed, it's about maintaining high standards while keeping costs down. Speaking of quality, let's talk about quality control. This is where you ensure that the rush for efficiency doesn't come at the expense of product quality. A strong quality control system reassures consumers of your commitment to excellence, minimizing defects and reducing the costs associated with returns and recalls. Many manufacturers turn to methodologies like Six Sigma and total quality management to achieve these goals. Six Sigma focuses on eliminating defects using data-driven techniques, while TQM is a holistic approach that fosters a culture of continuous improvement across the organization. The beauty of combining these two methodologies is that you can tackle specific issues while also embedding quality into the very fabric of your operations. Now, let's step into some advanced insights that often fly under the radar. For instance, lean manufacturing principles, which originated in the Japanese automotive industry, are all about maximizing value while minimizing waste. Just-in-time inventory is a prime example, allowing you to produce only what you need when you need it. This requires a reliable supply chain and a culture of continuous improvement, or Kaizen, where small changes lead to big results over time. Then there's the growing importance of sustainability in manufacturing. We're not just talking about cutting costs anymore, we're talking about being socially and environmentally responsible. Energy-efficient processes can save you money while appealing to a consumer base that increasingly values eco-friendly practices. Companies like Unilever are leading the charge, aiming to have their environmental impact while doubling their revenue. That's not just good business, it's a smart long-term strategy. Another fascinating development is the use of digital twins, virtual replicas of physical assets that allow for real-time monitoring and simulation. Imagine being able to test how changes in your production line will affect output before you make them. Companies like General Electric are already using this technology to optimize their operation, leading to significant cost savings and efficiency gains. But let's not forget the human element. A skilled workforce is crucial for manufacturing optimization. Investing in employee training reduces human error and enhances productivity. Companies like Siemens have implemented vocational training programs that combine theoretical knowledge with hands-on experience, resulting in a workforce that's not just skilled but adaptable to new technologies and processes. And in this connected age, cybersecurity cannot be an afterthought. As manufacturing becomes more integrated with IoT and cloud technologies, the risk of cyber attacks rises. Data integrity and operational continuity are at stake. The lessons learned from incidents like the Stuxnet attack highlight the need for robust cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive data and maintain trust with consumers. Now, let's talk about the financial side of things. It's not just about improving processes, it's about understanding the financial implications of those improvements. Tools like return on investment calculations and activity-based costing can provide insights into how optimization initiatives impact your bottom line. Harley-Davidson, for example, shifted to ABC to get a clearer picture of their true cost drivers, allowing them to pinpoint inefficiencies and improve profitability. As we explore these advanced measures, one thing becomes clear: integrating traditional and advanced elements is key to a holistic approach to manufacturing optimization. It's not just about adopting the latest technology, it's about strategically blending old and new practices to create a resilient, efficient manufacturing ecosystem. So, what's the takeaway? The future of manufacturing optimization is about more than just efficiency and profit. It's about creating a seamless integration of technology, human capital, and sustainable practices. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. As we move forward, manufacturers must ask themselves not just how they can evolve, but how they can do so thoughtfully and strategically. In a world that's constantly changing, the ability to adapt and optimize is no longer optional, it's essential. The journey to manufacturing optimization is complex, but the rewards, enhanced efficiency, increased profitability, and a sustainable future are well worth the effort. The question is, how will you bridge the gaps in your own manufacturing processes? The opportunities are vast, and the time to act is now.